This video will introduce you to PACC model, which has been framed with the purpose to articulate different types of technologies designed or used based on the learner's perceived level of engagement in learning. There are a lot of technology tools, applications, programs used by teachers in their teaching or for planning and administration. And then there are many technologies directly used by students in their learning, which is either designed by teachers, third-party vendors, and facilitated by the teacher or other adults, or sometimes these are used in self-paced mode by the students. The PACC model focuses on student use of technology, and its use can be grouped in 4 categories. The first category deals with technology applications which are designed for passive consumption or no manifested active interactions. Example, videos, long or short, or other resources for learners. It is always possible that passive consumption of these resources are creatively used by a teacher to generate other activities or club with other kinds of categories of technology use. Open educational resources widely used these days also fall into this category. Second type of technologies are designed with the purpose of eliciting active participation or engagement with the technology tools itself or other elements or learners in the environment. Example, games, quiz, drill and practice applications, simulations like PET simulations are some of the examples of technologies designed for active interaction. Third type of technologies are not often used at scale, but promises very high level of engagement. Learners here are not just interacting, but creating with technologies. Teachers' role here is to carefully design activities and opportunities for students to create with technology. Aligned with constructivist or constructionism paradigm of learning, learners construct their own learning in the process of creating artifacts using technologies. Here, learners are producers and not mere consumers of technology applications, tools, or resources. In the process of creating, the learners reflect deeply on the concepts and apply to their own context or that of the given task. They may either make artifacts from scratch or curate and adapt from existing resources to suit their own needs and that of their communities around. Multimedia and research analysis tools are some of the very basic applications used to create artifacts. A few examples in this category are given. A spreadsheet and internet search used as a technology application and tool by the students to document their food habits and calorie intake, research on its nutritional value, and further go deeper on the concept of nutritional deficiencies. Body mass index in their own families, classrooms, state, and the country. This creation demonstrates project-based learning with technology, allowing deep and relevant learning. Another example of create category is students creating a rain gauge an instrument to measure rainfall, and systematically collecting data from their environment, documenting using basic technology applications, and further measuring and comparing rainfall in different locations. Programming with coding and robotic applications also allow problem-based learning and creating artifacts applied to concepts in the curriculum. To summarize, Create with Technology offer ample opportunities for making learning deep, authentic, application, and inquiry-based. In the process, students evolve as confident learners and producers. Research also suggests learners from resource-poor environments, while creating with technology, may learn to negotiate, adapt, and solve multiple complex problems, all useful for their development in the 21st century. The concept of authentic learning will be further elaborated in this video series. Creating and actively using technologies offers opportunities to explore real-life connection, making learning authentic, relevant, and deep. Fourth category of communication technologies often gets integrated with other categories and by itself is important to disseminate teaching, learning at distance and blended environments, and also for collaborative learning.